Hey guys, so today I am going to be installing a dash cam in my G80 M3. So thank you to REDTIGER for sponsoring. We have the F17 dash cam and hardwire kit. So let's just get right into installing it. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing of the dash cam. So I got the F17 because I wanted the 3-channel dash cam. That way I can get a bunch of different views. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. We have the front camera here, and I already opened this, so it's not in its protective covering. So here is the camera. And then once you open up the second part, this is where you have all of the wiring to plug everything in. And then you have the rear camera, as well as the 3M and like the pieces to mount it to the window, and then some trim tools. And then we have the hardwire kit. So this is all this stuff needed to do that. Yeah, a bunch of different wires in here. And I'm not gonna go in depth because you guys will see what I do in a second. All right, we're just gonna get right into installing now. Okay, I can't do this anymore. Go. Right, first things first, to hardwire this dash cam in, I'm going to get to the fuse box location so we can wire everything. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So we're gonna use the fuse box in the trunk so that we can get the accessory power, and I'm gonna show you guys where that's located. So once you open the trunk, it's actually gonna be on the right-hand side in this little compartment area. So we have 2 wires that are cut the full length of the car. We have accessory power from the fuse box, and then we have battery positive. So the kit for the dash cam comes with this wiring harness, as you guys see. And it is not long enough to reach the fuse box in the trunk. So that is why we have these 2 cut out, and these are just purchased from O'Reilly's. We're gonna put the provided wiring harness underneath the dashboard in the front and run these wires to that. Take the provided fuse taps that come with the hardwire kit, and you're going to plug them into the correct spots on the fuse box. So I have accessory and battery positive, and this is different for every vehicle. All right, we're gonna fold the back seat down so we can run the wiring to the front of the car. All right, so now with the wires through here, we're gonna run it through the headliner. Now we're gonna do the rear camera. So as you guys can see, we just have like the backing of like a 3M tape. We're gonna peel this off, and then I'm gonna actually place it in the corner right here. And this is adjustable too, so that's nice. I can just place it wherever. We're gonna run this through the headliner the same way that we did the other 2 for the front camera. Now you guys, so we have the wiring harness here, and this, it's nice because it'll tell you battery positive, it has accessory labeled, and obviously ground. And then we are going to take our wires, and I have blue tape for the accessory. We're going to plug them into the correct places. We have accessory, and then we have battery positive. Plug those in, and then we are going to put this wiring harness and hide it under in the footwell area. This is what we are looking like right now. I cannot show my point of view because it's really tight under this area. So I'm going to show you guys. So once you look under here, I'm going to put the wiring harness like in this crevice right here, and then we're going to take and then we're gonna take the ground and we are going to put it on here. All right, so you're gonna take a 10 mil and loosen up that nut. Right now with the ground attached under the washer and the nut, tighten it. Now with all of the wiring connected, I'm going to put this trim piece back in real quick. Twisting these to lock in. That puppy is back on. Real quick, I'm gonna plug the camera in and test that it works. Oh, I'm so happy it works. But yeah, there is the view of that. All right, so lastly, I'm gonna mount the front camera really quick. So they give you this mount, and this you just slide on. So I'm gonna figure out where I want it. I think I'm gonna do it in the middle right here. I'm gonna peel off the backing, stick it on, plug these in, hide the rest of this extra wire in the headliner, and then I will see you guys with the final product.